Okay, we will answer this one. The following conditional are true, except letter A. Try natin itong letter A, if true ba or hindi. So, if measure of angle A is 109, then it is an obtuse angle. So, letter A is true because obtuse angle, that is measures more than 90 degrees. So, 109 is more than 90 degrees. So, therefore, letter A is true. Letter B, if measure of angle A is 50, then it is an acute angle. So, acute angle, that is measures less than 90 degree. Okay, so therefore, yung angle A natin is 50. So, this is an acute angle. So, this is also true. Letter C, if measure of angle A is 109, then it is a right angle. So, this is false. False because if you say right angle, that is measures 90 degree. So, yung A natin dito, or measure ng angle A is 109. So, this is false. Letter D, if measure of angle A is 80, then it is an acute angle. So, acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. So, this is true. So, the correct answer, the following conditional are true except letter C.